my channel, Jungle Jingles, singing smiles.
From the warm veggie city streets, they zooming fast on leafy feet with broccoli biceps and pepper pride. No evil can escape or hide. Got a snap and a crunch, talking justice in a bunch with a kettle crack pow and a zoom zucchini. They foil bad guys with their greeny genie. Kettle crack pow, zoom zoom zoom. Activate, Meletta save and celebrate. Carrot chop, cucumber spin, the fight for flavors, ours to win. With radish rage and beetroot base, we're the heroes of this place. Bold, bright, and plant-based might. Vegetable superheroes unite. Crunch, walk, tomato splash. Captain Carrot leads the charge with X-ray eyes and vision large. Spinach girl so super strong lifts 10 buses while singing a song. Chili Blaze can heat things up. He sizzles bad guys in a veggie cup. And don't forget our flying bean, Jetpack P, the stealthy green. Pew bean blast! But looking in the compost bin, Spoilotron begins to grin. Let rot and mold rule the day, but Veggie Squad will block his way. With garlic glow and squash defense, we guard the world with garden sense. Garlic squash shield, veggie power, don't back down. We're the heroes of this town. With justice right and courage bright, we photosynthesize the fight. Brussels sprouts and parsnip push, we're stronger than a super squash. In storm or night or morning light, vegetable superheroes unite. So when your snack is under threat, don't you worry, don't you sweat. They're rolling fast, they'll fight with flair. The super veggies will be there.